I just wanted to quickly say, Kai Lenny sent me this book, Big Wave Surfer, Greatest Rides of Our Lives. And it's another, I've gotten a few books, Steve McCurry, Jimmy Chin. There's been a few. And together, together, I feel like, once in a while, you just can't deny a message. My daughter did these, by the way. Sure she did. That I'm very, very lucky to have these friends that are, that touch the incredible often. They put their fingerprint on the extraordinary. And I really like those people. I really respond to those people well, because I understand it. Mostly in life, we're in a community where people are saying they don't like that you think outside of the box. They don't like that you're not following the manual of safety, the manual of a safe life, the manual of a secure life. And like E.E. Cummings said, the idea of security was such bullshit. It doesn't exist in God's world. It just doesn't exist. There is no security. Everything is finite and everything is fallible. And when you look at this stuff, it makes you want to touch the incredible, even just for a second. So thank you, Kai. You're amazing. You're awesome. Can't wait to get to Maui and give you a big hug. And to all those other people I just mentioned, thanks. Pretty special. John Steinbeck, Dylan Thomas, Paul Thomas Anderson, the Coen brothers, Eli Kazan, John. There's a lot of people out there. People that stand out and you go, wow. May not be my thing, but I sure appreciate it. Alex Honnold, Dean Potter. Some pretty incredible people. So in that family of extraordinary, there you go. The Hamiltons. So innovative. And looked down upon, fought. They're just trying to be different. They're arrogant. They're arrogant. Robert De Niro in his prime. Marlon Brando. Meryl Streep. Vanessa Redgrave. Some amazing people. River Phoenix. They're out there, man. They're out there. Thank you to all. And I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas.